What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Salem FSX. This is going to be their 28 VC floor plan. So as you can see, you have your passenger storage up front. But I want to take a look at the exterior before we hop in on the inside. As you can tell by the end, it is a travel trailer toy hauler. You have a ton of windows on the campsite here, massive awning. You have a sound system out here by JBL as well. Looking down at the tires, you can tell that we have dual axle. Underneath this entry door, you see that we have solid steps, which we love to see. If we take a step on the inside, we're gonna check out your kitchen area first. So you have a place to put a TV. The backer's already put in place, or maybe you can just make it a coffee bar area. Totally up to you. To round off the kitchen, the rest of it, we've got your 3-burner cooktop with your microwave down below, oversized 12-volt refrigerator, and then this kitchen island. So you have pop-outs on either side to extend the prep space. Bar stools come with it, and then we're going to move on to your living room. So this living room has theater seating. The middle portion does fold down and up. Reveals 2 cup holders, so 4 cup holders altogether. The seats on either side, not the middle one, do recline. It also comes with this little ottoman, which is super cute. And then above all of that, you have a projector, because check out this view. If we sit in this theater seating right here, imagine the movies and everything that you can watch on there. This is super sick. I'm obsessed. Okay, off the back of this travel trailer, you're going to find your patio area. You have these little pop-ups by Lipper, as well as a backup camera prep. The doors out here do close in case you like to keep those bugs out. But if we make our way towards the middle of this travel trailer, we're going to check out your bathroom. So to the left, through this door, you see your sink, mirror, a little bit of towel storage, shower with your skylight up above, toilet down below, and then you cannot forget about that max air fan. At the very front of this travel trailer, you're going to find your main bedroom. This is going to be a king-size bed, storage beneath the mattress, as well as wardrobes surrounding. You do have outlets and chargers on either side. On the left-hand side, you're going to find your TV backer, and then across from your bed, you're going to see washer and dryer prep, or maybe just more storage. Totally up to you. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Salem FSX 28 VC. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And then above all of that, you have a projector, because check out this view. If we sit